All right, good afternoon, everybody. Mike Vacchi, Princeton Trader, here with today's closing wrap-up for Wednesday. All right, so I was just mentioning in the chat room, so the 9-day held it in. They didn't deal with the 9-day. That might be something for tomorrow. But by the smallest of margins, they did engage the lower band. We talked about that this morning on the morning webcast. So the band ride is activated, and that will be in play into tomorrow. Hourly chart, it was kind of the tale of 2 days, right? They came in, they printed that 35 half right into the Europe Open. We talked about that this morning. They came in and did a 1030 low, boom, 42.54 quarter, little bit of a marginal higher low in the 11 o'clock hour, and another higher low in the middle of the afternoon. And they went ahead and essentially, they didn't close it on the highs, but they closed it above 4,300. And more importantly, going back to this daily chart, they closed it above the 200-day exponential moving average on the daily, on the continuation daily chart, I should say, not the front month. The front month, when it comes to these longer-term exponential moving averages, the continuation chart is what I tend to do, simply because it shows the price in the most important month of the contract over an extended period of time. And when you're talking about 200 days, that's really where you have to have it, because 200 days ago you had like 8 guys trading the December 23 futures. So how does this impact us tonight into tomorrow? Does this 200-day hold? Can the bulls find a way to scratch and scrape above 4,300? I don't know. And as we get into tomorrow, you're going to have the 9-day and the weekly pivot. If they want to continue to take it to the upside, they're going to come back into play. So overnight, you want to see, if you're a bull, you want to see it hold that hourly midband. If you're a bear, you want to see it not, and you want to get back down into it. And you need to have a decent day tomorrow, and that sets us up into 8:30 Friday morning for the jobs report. So that's effectively what happened today. Very interesting day in the market. Bulls had more today. Bulls had more in the afternoon than I really thought they were going to have. So the question becomes, is it just another bear market rally? Remember, you can be long those. We are. You can stand aside, but you can't fight them short. So that is where we stand tonight into the Asia and Europe sessions. All right. Have a fantastic night. Take care. Trade them well. I will catch everybody who's a subscriber for the subscriber webcast tonight. We'll get into some very minute details about what we're going to be doing tonight, tomorrow, the trades that we were in, the trades that we are in now. For everybody else, take care. Consider becoming a subscriber, and I will catch everybody for the morning webcast tomorrow. Be good. Follow us over on Twitter, Instagram, and Snapchat at Princeton Trader. Check us out on Facebook and join us for a free trial at www.princetontrader.com. Trade 'em well.